Hey guys, so today's video I'm going to go over how to weld your letters together, one in Design Space and another option is with FONTLAB. So I'm going to start off with Design Space since I'm already here. I'm working with the word laugh. So as you can see, there's spaces in between these letters, and you would obviously want the word to be together. So right now all the letters are moving together, so I'm going to ungroup them so I can single them out. As you can see, they're all single images. So what I like to do is I like to find a line on my page, and I like to line up the letters that way. That way it just helps keep them all in a straight line as much as possible. Now this works great when you're dealing with one word and you just have to move them. But when you're dealing with multiple words that are a calligraphy font, it can get really time consuming trying to move all these letters together. But if you've just got one word that you're using, it's okay to use Design Space because you can do it really quickly. But if you're doing multiple words, you're going to want to use FONTLAB, and I'll show you that in a minute. So now that all my letters are together and it's where I want it to be, I'm going to draw a box around it, and I'm going to go down here and I'm going to hit weld. And now this is an image. This is one complete image. I can't do anything to it aside from the color, changing the color, changing it to cut, draw, or score. But other than that, I can't move these letters and I can't ungroup them. There's no option here. Now, if you don't like the way this looks and you haven't saved the project yet, it's still not the end for you. You can hit undo and it will change everything back, okay? But as soon as you save your project, that's it. You can't go back and hit unweld, only if you haven't saved it yet. So as soon as I save it, that's the way that it's going to stay. So I'm just going to draw another box around it, and I'm going to hit weld. And there you go. The next option for welding to bring in your letters that are completely together is FONTLAB. You can download it for free on the internet. So I'm just going to open it up. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just like a blank page. Here, you're going to go up to File. You're going to go up to Open Installed. So what Open Installed is it's going to open up all the fonts that your computer has on it. So instead of going all the way through, I'm just going to look for my font. There it is. And I hit OK. And then it'll just pop up what your last saved file was. Okay, so I'm gonna go laugh, live, and love. So as you can see, everything is attached here. It's all one consistent word instead of having the letters all divided up. So I'm gonna go to File. I'm going to go to Save, and you can save it to whatever you want. I'm going to go laugh, love, and live. It's going to save to my documents. It's an SVG file. You can change the file if you want. I don't want to because I want to be able to later on move these letters around. So I'm going to hit Save. I'm going to get out of here. And then once I go back to my Design Space, I'm going to go to Upload. Upload an image. I'm going to go to Browse. And there's Laugh, Love, and Live. I'm going to hit Choose. And there she is. Then I'm going to go Save. I'm going to click on the image that I want. Then I'm going to insert my image, and there it is. So because I saved it as an SVG file, I have the ability to single out the letters as well. But I don't want to, but I'll show you if for whatever reason you do need to do that. You just hit ungroup, and it becomes just like this word when we first started. Each letter is singled out. So you can move it to however you want. You can make the L bigger or smaller. If you make a mistake at any point in time, just hit undo and it'll go back to the way that it was. So I'm going to highlight and then I'm going to weld. And there we go. So if you have any questions about this or any comments, just leave them below. Have a great day. Bye.